What's up, guys? Mark here, Wired Customs. We have another 2021 Chevy Silverado. This is what they call, let's walk over here and I'll show you what they call it. They call these Madrock. This is the package that comes equipped like this directly from Chevy. Yes, it is third-partied out. However, you pick it up and pay Chevy for these add-ons. Why is that important? That is really important because now the dealer is responsible. They've lifted it up. They've added rims and tires. They have put on all these accessories. So now they have to warranty it. That's why it is very, very important. Locked. What we're going to be doing on this one is a lot of stuff. We're going to be doing a lot of lighting. If the door was unlocked, I could open it and show it to you. But we're going to be doing some rock lights, which is where we stick 1 to 2 pods up in there. We're going to be doing an Underglow kit, which will be up under the truck portion. We're going to also be doing a wheel kit. What the wheel kit is, you pull off the rim and there's a bracket that goes behind there and it lights it up at nighttime. We just did another 2020 just like that right there. While we have the truck here, we're going to also upgrade the battery to an XS Power D4800. That is an AGM high reserve battery, because he's going to have all these extra accessories he's going to have to run. We are adding some Trainhorns. It's going to be pretty nice once we're done. Not that it's not nice yet or right now. It'll just be even a little bit nicer once we're done. Stay tuned. We'll do some updates. That's the Underglow only, right?
Yep, just the Underglow.
Hey, Rooster. What's up? I snuck up on you, didn't I? All right. He is getting the wheel light rings prepared to go around the hub. These are the adjustable ones, so if you have larger wheels, we can get the proper fitment.
So they were wrong.
This guy's a beast.
That actually shines. So say all the lights are on.
He's stronger than he looks. guys, our fabricator's over there cutting up some angle iron to create a bracket. That bracket's going to hold those horns and the compressor as well as the tank for this 2019 Silverado Mad Max.
Scuff these Jordans, you can say you hate me, you can call me crazy, but don't touch my truck. Don't touch my truck. Don't touch my wood grain dash with the matte black finishing that match my shawty with the big old butt. Know them boys soft cause they got hard feelings.
What's up, guys? On the 19 to 21 Silverados, the battery that the factory chose isn't a common battery. What we do is we put in a larger battery. In order to make that happen, we have to fabricate, change, make adjustments to the factory fuse panel. The factory power portion that goes on top of the power part of the battery, the positive post, we have to modify it. That way it can slide over a little bit more and we can run a larger battery and get the right amount of power to the amplifiers. This is the proper way to do it. A lot of people do some shady stuff. Don't do what they do just because it works. Thank you.